Hello everyone and welcome to another video regarding the event calendar tool. In this video, I will show you how to edit, update and delete events using the event calendar tool so your website always stays current and reliable. Whether you are shifting a program's schedule or canceling an event entirely, keeping your calendar up to date ensures your visitors always get the accurate information. This helps your community to stay informed, avoid confusion, and stay engaged. Start by logging into your admin portal. From the menu, go to Digital Signage and then click Event Screen. In the next page, click on Events. You will see all your upcoming events listed here, including the recurring ones. To make an update, click on any event. I am selecting the weekly youth Q&A night on June 12th. Then click on this edit button. You can adjust the title, banner, timing, description, and the location as well. You can apply changes to all recurring events or only following recurring events or only this event. Once you are done, click on Update Event. Your changes will automatically update across all dates in the admin portal, including the website as well. If you want to remove an event, click on that specific event and click on this delete icon. You will be asked to confirm, and once deleted, it's removed from both your portal and your website display. With just a few clicks, you can manage your events, keep your schedule clean, and ensure your website always reflects what's happening in your community. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.